But let's go ahead and start talking this evening about while you were sleeping in Chicago.
Oh God, wake up, somebody help me please.
So what we're going to do this evening on our virtual tour is go to 3 locations where the cast and the crew filmed this 1995 romantic comedy. It's a little bit more difficult to see at night, so again, with some movie magic and some editing software, let's check out this house in the daylight and perhaps talk a little bit more about the question, why do you think location scouts chose this particular house out of millions of houses in Chicago? All right, so here we are walking toward it a little bit more in the light of day. And I want to talk about maybe 4 reasons that scouts did choose this house, which have to do with perhaps color, construction, the interior of the house, and the lot itself. So I'm going to pause it here just really quickly and let's look at the color together. We have this ivory-colored house, which is pretty attractive for shooting at night, especially if you're going to throw fake snow on the ground, which we're going to talk a little bit more about in just a second. That ivory or light white color house is also going to be reflecting nicely with all the lights necessary to shoot a movie, especially at dusk or dark, as you saw when Sandra Bullock's character actually arrives to the house itself. Now let's get up a little bit closer and talk about the construction of the house. You can see there the porch. You have these wide stairs leading up to a large wraparound porch here, which is very inviting, right? We get a little closer to the house. Also, you can see it has this stone base around it, right behind that tree perhaps. Very thick columns around the porch. It's a 4-square style house, so it looks really sturdy, right? Like it's been there for quite a while. And all of these things together really do symbolize family. I mean, Bullock's character is invited into this family, which is something that she has never really had and desperately wants in the film. So the color is working nicely for movies. The construction of the house suggests something about the house itself. The interior of this house, as we'll see in just a second, was used as well. So that may be another reason that location scouts selected this particular house. They wanted to use both the exterior and the interior. And then finally, the lot on which it sits. So I don't know if you could quite tell from my video footage, but this is a corner lot. And corner lots are very desirable for shooting films because you have a lot of yard space for all of the tents and the lighting and the parking and all of those things that are required of cast and crew to make a movie. So maybe logistically, that's another reason that they're choosing this particular house and that corner lot as well. So on the far left,